Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change design code in Tekla Structural Designer. Click on Setting, click on Import, select the code you want to use. Now we focus on the IS 800 2007. Click on the India, click OK, click Active. Design code, active it again, check for the region India, correct, and action codes, general loading, wind loading, snow loading, seismic loading combination, check for the resistance codes. IS 800 limit state 2007 is correct. Click OK, click on material, check for the section material available in the India steel types material SE 290 to the SE 590. Reinforcement. Okay, click close, create new project, click on the model setting, check design code again, change to the region India. Yeah, it's okay. Action and resistance codes unit. This is the minimum global infection. You can override it. Okay, change it between 0.2 to 0.5. In the Tekla Structural Designer, use the default 0.5 maximum global infection and sphere trees. Design based on alpha critical. Click OK. Again to setting and the section default. You can change the section default in concrete structure or roll steel beam structure. You can change it, and section order also can change to which one the default section. If you use MB section, so design order also the same in MB section. Yeah, how you can change the default section. Okay, click on the roll steel and change to you want to use the narrow plane parallel beams and keep it 500. Click OK. So now the default section for roll steel beam is ISP and PB 500 multiplied with 200, and the weight is 79.36 kilogram. Okay, how you can change it? For the material, you can change the default material. Now I want to use this material SE 440 as the default material. Keep it in default. Close. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.